Hello everyone and welcome back to Vibrant Health Project. Am I the only one that didn't know the secrets of the Mediterranean diet? Embark on a culinary journey back in time, unveiling the rich and diverse Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet, it's a way of life, deeply rooted in tradition and culture. It originated in the sunny regions bordering the Mediterranean Sea, where the climate and geography have shaped its unique characteristics. This region includes countries like Greece, Italy, and Spain, each contributing their own flavors and traditions. People in these areas have historically lived longer and healthier lives, enjoying a vitality that is often attributed to their diet. Researchers first noticed this remarkable trend in the mid-20th century. They discovered that the eating habits of these Mediterranean populations played a key role in their health and longevity. This marked the beginning of our fascination with the Mediterranean diet, a fascination that continues to grow. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fresh, whole foods, celebrating the natural flavors and nutrients found in these ingredients. It is naturally low in processed foods and saturated fats, focusing instead on wholesome, nutrient-dense options. Instead, it prioritizes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and healthy fats, creating a balanced and nutritious diet. Olive oil, a cornerstone of the diet, is abundant in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which are essential for maintaining good health. These good fats have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease, making olive oil a vital component of the diet. The Mediterranean diet is not about deprivation or strict rules. It celebrates the joy of eating, encouraging people to savor their meals and enjoy the company of others. Moderate consumption of red wine, often enjoyed with meals, provides antioxidants that may benefit health. These antioxidants may protect cells from damage, contributing to overall well-being, but the key is moderation, ensuring that wine is enjoyed responsibly. The Mediterranean diet is a delicious and sustainable way of eating, promoting both health and environmental benefits. It offers a blueprint for a longer, healthier life, filled with vitality and joy. Join us as we delve deeper into the secrets of this vibrant way of eating, uncovering the timeless wisdom of the Mediterranean diet. The foundation of the Mediterranean diet is a colorful array of whole foods, each contributing unique flavors and health benefits. These foods provide a wide range of nutrients essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Fruits and vegetables take center stage, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support immune function and reduce inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with vitamins A and C, which are vital for eye health and skin integrity. Tomatoes offer lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to reduced cancer risk and improved heart health. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread provide fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Fiber aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, contributing to long-term health. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are excellent sources of plant-based protein and fiber, making them a staple in many diets. They also contain iron and folate, crucial nutrients for energy production and cell growth, supporting overall vitality. Nuts and seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, essential for heart health and brain function. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects cells from damage and supports skin health. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. These foods in their whole form are minimally processed and nutrient-rich, ensuring you get the most out of every bite. They form the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, promoting longevity and a healthier lifestyle. Olive oil, often called liquid gold, is the primary fat source in the Mediterranean diet. Extra virgin olive oil, the least processed form, is rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Olive oil is also a good source of antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Red wine, enjoyed in moderation, is another hallmark of the Mediterranean lifestyle. Red wine contains resveratrol, a potent antioxidant found in grape skins. Resveratrol has been linked to various health benefits. These benefits include improved heart health and reduced inflammation. However, moderation is key. Excessive alcohol consumption can be detrimental to health. The combination of olive oil and moderate wine consumption exemplifies the Mediterranean approach to food and drink. It is an approach that prioritizes quality, enjoyment, and balance. While the Mediterranean diet embraces a wide variety of foods, there are some it encourages limiting. Ultra-processed foods, often laden with added sugars, unhealthy fats and sodium, are best avoided. These include packaged snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food. Red meat, while not entirely off the menu, is consumed sparingly in the Mediterranean diet. Processed meats like bacon and sausage are best avoided due to their high sodium and saturated fat content. Saturated fats found in fatty cuts of meat and full-fat dairy products can raise bad cholesterol levels. This can increase the risk of heart disease. Sugar, especially added sugars found in sweets, sugary drinks, and processed foods, should be limited. Excess sugar consumption contributes to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems. By limiting these foods and prioritizing whole, unprocessed options, the Mediterranean diet promotes a healthy and balanced approach to eating. A heart-healthy feast. The Mediterranean diet and cardiovascular wellness. The Mediterranean diet has garnered significant attention for its remarkable heart-protective benefits. Numerous studies have shown that this way of eating can reduce the risk of heart disease, heart attack, and stroke. The abundance of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. Olive oil, the primary fat source in the Mediterranean diet, is rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats have been proven to lower bad cholesterol levels and raise good cholesterol levels. This improves overall cholesterol balance, a crucial factor in heart health. The antioxidants found in olive oil, fruits, vegetables, and red wine protect against cell damage caused by free radicals. This oxidative stress can contribute to heart disease. By reducing inflammation, lowering cholesterol, and protecting against oxidative stress, the Mediterranean diet provides a powerful shield against cardiovascular disease. This makes it a heart-healthy way of eating. Fueling a sharp mind, the Mediterranean diet, and cognitive health. The benefits of the Mediterranean diet extend beyond the heart to the brain. Research suggests that this eating pattern may enhance cognitive function, protect against cognitive decline, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The abundance of fruits, vegetables, and olive oil provides the brain with antioxidants. These antioxidants protect against damage from free radicals. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon and sardines are crucial for brain health. The Mediterranean diet encourages moderate consumption of fish, providing a good source of these essential fats. Additionally, the diet's emphasis on whole grains, legumes, and nuts provides a steady stream of glucose to the brain. This is essential for optimal cognitive function. By nourishing the brain with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats, the Mediterranean diet may help preserve cognitive function. It could even lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Weight management, the Mediterranean way. A holistic approach to a healthy weight. The Mediterranean diet, with its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods, can be an effective tool for weight management. Despite being rich in healthy fats from olive oil, nuts, and fish, the diet is naturally lower in calories than many Western diets. This is due to its focus on plant-based foods, which are generally lower in calories and higher in fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in weight management by promoting satiety, slowing down digestion, and regulating blood sugar levels. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. These foods are all excellent sources of fiber. This helps keep you feeling fuller for longer and reduces the likelihood of overeating. Furthermore, the Mediterranean lifestyle encourages regular physical activity, such as walking, gardening, and cooking. This combination of a balanced diet and an active lifestyle creates a sustainable approach to weight management. A shield against disease. The protective power of the Mediterranean diet. Beyond its heart and brain benefits, the Mediterranean diet has been linked to a reduced risk of various chronic diseases. This diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, offers a holistic approach to health. Studies have shown that this way of eating may protect against type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, and even Parkinson's disease. The combination of nutrient-dense foods works synergistically to support overall well-being. The abundance of antioxidants from fruits, vegetables, and olive oil helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, preventing cellular damage. This damage can contribute to the development of chronic diseases, making antioxidant-rich foods a crucial part of disease prevention. The Mediterranean diet's emphasis on whole grains, legumes, and low glycemic index foods helps regulate blood sugar levels, providing a steady source of energy and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels, it helps in managing and preventing diabetes effectively. Fiber, abundant in the diet, promotes healthy digestion by aiding in regular bowel movements and supporting gut health, and has been linked to a reduced risk of colon cancer. A high-fiber diet ensures a clean and healthy digestive tract. By reducing inflammation, providing antioxidants, and promoting a healthy weight, the Mediterranean diet acts as a shield against a wide range of chronic diseases. Its anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial. This makes it a powerful tool for disease prevention, offering a comprehensive approach to maintaining long-term health and vitality. Embracing the Mediterranean lifestyle: practical tips and meal ideas. Transitioning to a Mediterranean way of eating doesn't require a complete dietary overhaul. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes into your meals. Swap out butter and margarine for olive oil as your primary cooking oil. Enjoy fish at least twice a week, opting for fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines whenever possible. Snack on nuts and seeds instead of processed snacks. Incorporate more movement into your day by walking, cycling, or engaging in activities you enjoy. Remember that the Mediterranean diet is about more than just food, it's a lifestyle. Embrace the social aspect of food by sharing meals with loved ones and savoring the flavors of fresh, wholesome ingredients. Recipes from the Mediterranean coast. Simple and delicious inspiration. Greek salad. Combine chopped tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, bell pepper, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. Toss with a dressing of extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper. Lemon herb. Roasted chicken. Rub a whole chicken with a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Roast in the oven until cooked through. Serve with roasted vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and zucchini. Lentil soup: sauté onion, carrot, and celery in olive oil. Add lentils, vegetable broth, diced tomatoes, bay leaf, and herbs like oregano and thyme. Simmer until the lentils are tender. Season with salt and pepper to taste. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and easy-to-prepare recipes that embody the flavors of the Mediterranean diet. A toast to vibrant health. Embracing the Mediterranean lifestyle. The Mediterranean diet is more than just a set of dietary guidelines, it's a celebration of food, culture, and a way of life that promotes vibrant health and longevity. By embracing the principles of this way of eating, you can nourish your body from the inside out, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, and enjoy a lifetime of delicious and healthy meals. Start your journey towards a healthier and more fulfilling life by incorporating the principles of the Mediterranean diet into your daily routine. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.